Rabies is one of the most fatal zoonotic diseases across 150 countries, especially in Africa and Asia. 40% of infected humans are aged 15 years old and below. If left untreated, rabies can lead to a painful death. Good thing that rabies can be prevented and can be treated through vaccination drives. With the right information and social mobilization, partnered with local government units and other important stakeholders in communities, rabies can be eliminated. In this presentation, we will discuss about how a program achieved a rabies-free province in Bohol, Visayas, Philippines, which is named as the Bohol Rabies Prevention and Elimination Project, which started from 2007 and ended in 2010. In a news report, a 31-year-old man died of rabies in Cabuyao, Laguna on May 18, 2025. His symptoms started showing last May 15, 2025. It was reported that he got bitten by his pet dog way back in August 2024, but then he only received one dose of the recommended three doses of vaccination against rabies. The family had to euthanize their pet dog the day that it bit the reported man who died because it started showing symptoms of rabies, such as eating its own excrement and having bloodshot eyes, and was really wild and rabid. 54-year-old Marilu Noguera said that she immediately went to their center in Quezon City because she was afraid she will catch rabies because she was licked by her dog. She had an open wound and her dog licked her open wound. She was so afraid because she saw the video about that man in Cabuyao, Laguna who recently died painfully. So we can see that fear actually motivates people to um, get vaccines in this country, as reported here. In a report by the Department of Health in 2024, there were about 426 rabies related deaths in the Philippines. And from the past 5 years, there were about 1,750 Filipinos who died from rabies. It is because once rabies attack the central nervous system in an infected human, it is 100% fatal. But it is 100% preventable and treatable. Lawmakers have developed a policy regarding the increasing number of rabies in the country. This is the Republic Act 9482, or the Anti-Rabies Act of 2007, that mandates the establishment of the National Rabies Prevention and Control Program that aims to control and eliminate rabies in humans and animals. Let's get to know the Bohol Rabies Prevention and Elimination Program, or the BRPEP. It was launched in 2007 that aimed to control and eliminate rabies related cases in Bohol, and it aimed to have a free rabies province by 2010. The program objectives include achieving zero human rabies related deaths in the province by 2010, establish sustainable dog vaccination programs in Bohol, promoting responsible pet ownership by encouraging pet owners to be accountable with the vaccination schedules of their pets, and integrating rabies education into school curriculums, especially in elementary schools. To achieve the goals of the program, the methods included massive dog vaccination drives, dog population management, education campaigns across 900 elementary schools, integrating rabies education into schools, community mobilization, around 1,500 volunteers or 15,000 volunteers were mobilized to support this program, and the conduct of surveillance and monitoring to understand the gaps, the success factors or the challenges, and draw resolutions for program improvement in the future. The program results included zero human rabies deaths from October 2008 to November 2010. Dog vaccination rates soared, increasing to about 70% from the 40% rate. 89% of households supported the program, and 73% no longer allow their dogs to roam freely in the streets. Sustainable funding mechanisms were established. So, sustainable funding resources mean the continuation of the program for many years to come. And the BRPEP became a global model recognized by the Global Alliance for Rabies Control that will have been replicated across countries. The Bohol Rabies Prevention and Elimination Project showed that rabies can be eliminated through community driven action, strong legal frameworks, education, and sustainable funding mechanisms. It proves that no one needs to die of rabies, especially the children, if communities, governments, and partners come together. Thank you again for engaging with me in this discussion. I'll see you again for another insightful talk about social matters. Once again, this is Mel, your questing scholar. Goodbye!